146% verified gain, real profits, real performance. Hey traders, welcome back. Today, we're introducing Quantum King, an advanced automated trading system built to deliver accuracy, stability, and consistent profits in every market condition. Regular price around $499. Special deal yours today for only $36, exclusively at EA99. This is carefully engineered for AUDCAD, offering fast execution, reliable performance, chart timeframe M5, perfect for precise entries and balanced trade frequency. Recommended minimum balance to $100 ensures smooth operation and controlled risk exposure. Watch real live results. See how the AI performs in real market conditions. A verified account shows an impressive 146% total gain, proving the CA's consistency, accuracy, and long-term profitability. Max drawdown 21%, intelligent risk control and capital protection, even in volatile markets. This EA delivers an 78% win rate with only 22% losing trades, showing strong precision and control.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into monsters.
Now let's jump inside MetaTrader 4 and see it in real-time action.
But instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical, rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
Inside the input, you can easily adjust your preferred settings and trading parameters, giving you complete control while keeping everything simple and efficient.
I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the
Visit EA99 now to grab your copy before the offer ends. Links in the description. Get it while it's still available. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.